This video is brought to you by Altium 365, where the world designs electronics, and Octopart, the fastest search engine for electronic parts.
The Violations submenu. The right-click Violation submenu was described earlier in the existing design rule violation section. Now, in this image, it shows how the violation submenu details the measured conditions against the value specified by the rule. Right-click on a violation to examine what rule is being violated and violation conditions. The PCB Rules and Violations panel. The PCB Rules and Violations panel is an excellent feature for locating and understanding error conditions. Click on the Panels button, then select PCB Rules and Violations from the menu to display the panel. It will default to show all rules in the rule classes list. Once you have identified a rule type of interest, select that specific rule so that only those violations are shown at the bottom of the panel. Then click once on a violation in the list to jump to that violation on the board. Double-click on a violation to open the Violation Details dialog. Now, the panel details the violation type, the measure value, the rule setting, and the objects that are in violation. Note that at the top of the PCB Rules and Violations panel, there is a drop-down, which can be used to select normal, dim, or mask. Dim and mask are display filter modes, where everything other than the objects of interest are faded, leaving only the chosen objects at normal display strength. The dim mode applies the filter but still allows all design space objects to be edited. The mask mode filters out all other design space objects, only allowing the unfiltered objects to be edited. The amount that display is faded is controlled by the dimmed objects and masked objects slider controls in the mask and dim settings section of the View Options tab of the View Configuration panel. Experiment with these sliders when you have the mask mode or dim mode applied. To clear the filter, you can either click the Clear button at the top of the PCB Rules and Violations panel or press Shift+C shortcut. This filtering feature is very effective in a busy design space and can also be used in the PCB panel and the PCB filter panel.